My TVS is a revolutionary franchisee-based multi-outlet, multi-brand car service station. It fulfills all requirements of car servicing, repairs, spare parts, body rework, on-road emergency services, etc., irrespective of the car brand.
We are doing service for all cars, including new generation cars. We are giving warranty on parts and service. It is a successful branded workshop.
When we looked at the Indian market and the dealership management solutions for dealerships and service center, we found there is a huge gap and there are no good solutions available for this marketplace.
The key gap that the earlier solution we faced was the user friendliness and acceptance by the user.
The old solution used by My TVS was extremely unfriendly in usage. It was tedious and time consuming, both for the franchisee and My TVS alike.
Even with around 50 to 60 outlets, it was a nightmare. And what would happen is one patch would work in one place, another patch will work in another place. So there were version controls, the reports were not uniform, the reports were not comparable to one another.
There is a demand for a good solution which should suffice the business needs of dealerships and franchise has led us to build AutoSol.
AutoSol is a billing software with all provisions, accounts, interactions, the database, multiple purpose there is.
The new solution AutoSol was built on a Microsoft platform and was a web-based application hosted by the solution partner for My TVS. The solution was created using Visual Studio and the .NET framework. It was hosted on a Windows Server platform with SQL Server as the database.
Dealer can use AutoSol for his own locations, for his multi-branch locations or his different businesses also.
The business benefit which the organization got, was that we were able to take a very credible package to the franchises.
AutoSol is designed as an entire architecture. It has multiple layers, but it has been designed as a service-oriented architecture which let customer expose or consume any web services.
Yeah, it was an online model. It's server-based. Each franchisee would become a node, a thin client, and franchisee would be able to pull the application to the data entries, and then it can be putting back into the server.
The primary considerations were low cost of ownership, extremely user friendly. That's why we have preferred to go on Microsoft platform. Customizable reports, because every location that you go, there are different reports requirement that are coming in. One single application to take care of all business needs of the dealer.
The AutoSol software is completely packed with everything. So accounts, inventory, everything is available, and we are using the AutoSol software also.
We can see compliance. If you don't implement it, then you are not going to be a good franchisee.
Reporting is very easy. So once we build it, it will automatically go to the reports side. So automatically the report column is ready.
We could manipulate and take any kind of reports. We can slice the data, we can have different views, and we could have different people could be taking different aspects of different portions of the database, and they can use it in the manner they want.
Our quality of service has become very nice because individual history of every car and also the service reminder for every car is automatically comes up in AutoSol.
There are a lot of reports which he himself as a user can generate. For example, customer post-service follow-ups, customer service satisfaction reports. The server introduced enormous amount of uniformity. I was talking about the version control, expandability, you can add any number of people. All of them will be uniform. And franchisee has a good working system. All those things, it solved the problem in one go.
In order to take their application to the next level, Exelon has been actively testing it on the new Microsoft Platform 2008, onto which this solution is being migrated.
For the future requirement of My TVS, the functionality of multiple server management from a single console in a Windows 2008 would be extremely useful. Windows 2008 server offers efficient compression for better performance. It provides enhanced security features. On the SQL Server 2008 front, we are running very aggressive data management tests with thousands of concurrent users. And what can I say? The results are extremely promising.
For this AutoSol software, we don't need any IT people. I have not spent anything. My TVS people have given it on a free cost. And also I don't have any server and all that. So one PC and an internet connection is enough for this software.